Please, this is Sam Aide, and I'll be teaching you on how to trade forex with confidence and simplicity. Uh, in today's uh, in today's teaching, we'll go to market outlook and what to expect for the new week. Before we do that, let me quickly do a recap about what we did last week. I told you some things that were going to happen in the market, and everything played out perfectly and accordingly. I gave you some of my pairs I've been looking out for last week. One of them was gold, and gold particularly did about 20,000 pips. This was it. Let me show you guys. I told you that this is just a typical head and shoulder, and we all know what head and shoulder means. Head and shoulder means what? A reversal pattern. And this was what happened. This gave us about 20,000 pips on gold. Aside from that, I also told you about another pair I was also looking at last week that played out accordingly, guys. That which shows many more reasons why you should listen up to me if you're just watching us for the very first time, and why you should pay attention to this what we call the market outlook update. Another one also, I told you guys that I'll be looking for a long on this NZDUSD as well. And the market did the longing and we made money. Market was around here at that time and it long and it stopped here. And many more like that. And more importantly, I said this was my cleanest trade as well. But unfortunately, I ended up not taking it. I told you guys that this was my cleanest trade. I was expecting it to do a stoppage here, then enter it for a long shot. But I gave you the updates on the group and I gave you the updates on this channel. But in case you're not on our Telegram group, I will really want to urge you to join right now. Look at the link around this description or request for it so you can always get updated on some of the update signals we throw out there and informs you about it and whenever we enter and we execute. I gave you an update on this channel as well, and I told you that it's going to no longer be what short, like to now be belonging, and I was hoping to enter at this point as well. Got to this point as well. I see don't see confirmation for the entering, and I left it. It will have been my sweetest trade for the week, but I left it out. So that's one of the things, one of the benefits that you will enjoy if you stay with us on this channel. Okay, so let's go into the new week and let's see again what we are expecting for this new week. Do not forget that I usually used to advise you to endeavor to join our inner circle, which is on Telegram. You can find the link around or ask for it. Any of our support will send it to you. You can comment here and ask for the link. You can join our inner circle. It's free. We have VIP as well that is free. So you can join our inner circle and get access to that. So my first pair for this new week is this baby Euro card. Of course, we already milking it already. So if you want to join us, you can join us and milk the winning buy to this point. So somewhere around here, we should be closing up. Aside from that, we should be looking out for the shorts at this point. We are expecting that this come here, this long stopped here, so you can give us a double top. So we can be looking out for a short after candlestick confirmation. Remember, you must wait for candlestick confirmation beyond just market coming to your zone. You actually must focus confirmation. So I'm expecting a weak rejection at these zones here, so we can short massively, and the short will be about 1 to 3, 1 to 4 risk reward ratio. That is my fourth pair for this new week. This is quite clean, and I love it so much. The first time it touches here, second time I need to touch it, third time. I want to say the first time it touches here. Can you see it rejected? Touches here, market rejected. Let me show you. Rejected here, first touch, second touch. So I'm expecting the third touch as well. Using a total 7 and 1 year, and she rejected it as well. So that is my claim. This is one of my claim trade for the new week, which is a Euro card. I'm enjoying it. I love it so much. That is the first trade for the new week. The second trade I'm expecting for this new week is Euro AUD. I'm also hoping to short as well. So let's see what it's going to do. So I'm expecting a short around this point to come to around this point, give us kind of the confirmations and some other patterns that we need to watch out for, and we should be shorting on Euro AUD. Aside from that, I'm also looking for this baby USD card, the same USD card that we couldn't enter last week. So this time around, I'm expecting a short as well, but right now it's still going to be longing. So if you want to join the move, you can join the move for a long. Nothing that stops this for you to short right now. So I'm heading to short at this point, but right now you can join the long to somewhere around here. Aside from that, I'm also expecting this baby. Still expecting this baby on. I'm expecting this baby. I'm expecting this baby Euro NZDJPY, NZDJPY, NZDJPY. Good. NZDJPY. Good, 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 good. Yeah, I'm expecting to see JPY. As you all know, you can see I'm seeing something that looks like an head and shoulder. This is an head, this is shoulder, shoulder. If this claim to be a two head and shoulder, there's definitely this move should reject at this point, and as you and I'm able to sell. But if it doesn't, let me go to the 4 hours and show you guys clearly so we can know what is happening here. The last time it came back here, it rejected, rejected. This is the third time it's coming back. If truly it's an head and shoulder, I expect it to still respect these zones. But if it not, it should definitely break out with test and then I'll go final entry and buy. But if not, you should definitely reject this and then short below. And then you short below. Okay? And the short might stop here, doing a double bottom, then buy. That is it. On NZDJPY. So I'm looking out for that. That is the fifth one. And the last one, but the last one for the week is this. So please note all these here, guys. Note them very, very well so that you can make money for this new week. The sky is too big for every one of us to make money. So why should we hide anything from you guys? Come on. I also urge you to stay on this channel, stay updated on this channel so that some of those pay we're giving you guys right now, there might be a need for change of bias or there might be a need for any update about them or anything about them. Okay. So this one also you can see. Let me show you clearly. You can see the pattern that is pointing already. The first time we had here, we had a rejection. We had a rejection at this point. Second time, we had a rejection, just like AUD card as well. And this is the third time. So we're expecting the rejection at this point. And so overall, we're expecting a what? A massive shot. But right now, at interim, I will be looking out to short at interim. If it comes back to this demand zone here, I'll be looking to long at interim. But overall, I'll be looking to short at this point, provided that it gives me a confirmation at this point and a candlestick sprint, something that I can say and I can have more convinced enough. I tell you guys that candlestick speaks the language, and you must be able to interpret those languages. You can speak in Spanish, you can speak in you can speak in French, you can speak Portuguese, you can speak German, you can speak Russian, you can speak English, but you should be able to interpret those things and, of course, then make your decisions and execute. If we don't, you are getting it or you are not there yet. So if you are not the type that knows how to interpret this kind of state of a thing, because we have about 20 of them that must give you confirmation and a go ahead before you go into. If you do not, I will want to urge you to join our community so you can get access to some of our free trainings. We hold free trainings and free classes, so you can join them and learn some of these stuff. I might talk to somebody. So these are the things I will be sharing. Let me know in the comment section your own pair that you're looking out for this new week. As for us, this is the pair we're looking at for this new week, and I wish you a profitable and an amazing week ahead. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me once again, and have a wonderful week ahead. Bye for now.